Hello, I'm Ovia Manikam, and the problem I'm bringing today is something I live through every single day. Every time I open Twitter or any tech platform, as someone who genuinely loves AI and Web3 and wants to stay current, I get completely overwhelmed. In the span of just 24 hours, there are new models, new startups, new tasks, new benchmarks, new drama. By the time I have picked up one thing to actually read and learn about, 10 more things have dropped, and whatever I was looking at is apparently already outdated and obsolete. And here's the thing, the platforms aren't the problem. The problem is that there's no filter built for you. So everything's just a noise. And you cannot build a filter such that the important information that you are looking for is also lost. So, which is why I built Kissen. Keep it simple or I'll go insane. That's me begging for help, and I know a lot of people are too. Now, let me walk you through the demo and show you exactly what Kissen does. So we connect wallet. Kissen lives on Suis. You connect your wallet, just one click and you are in. And first you tell Kissen who you are, a beginner, builder, researcher, and what interests you the most. And then you click start listening. So now here's where it gets interesting. And while the agents are loading, let me explain what actually happens. Kissen picks a real breaking story from the AI world. Then it sends that story to two agents. The first agent is the hype agent. It argues the bull case, why this matters, why you should pay attention. The second is the skeptic agent. It argues the opposite, why this might be overblown, what's missing, what's been oversold here. These two agents debate each other, and then a third agent, the validator, reads both sides and gives you an unbiased verdict based on your profile. The reason why I chose this format is simple. When you scroll past 100 posts about something, you are basically seeing 100 people projecting their own context onto it. What you actually need is someone to argue both sides through your lens and tell you if this is relevant to what you are building right now and is this worth your time today. And that's exactly what Kissen does. And at the bottom, your verdict, confidence score, a clear conclusion tailored to your profile. And you can also see the Walrus blob ID. And now you can also mint this verdict as a capsule on Sui. So when you do that, two things happen. The full debate transcript gets stored on Walrus, Sui's decentralized blob storage as permanent verifiable proof of this moment in time. So why does this matter? And you can also see a lot of capsules. So per day you get one signal, one verdict, so that you are not overwhelmed like I am every single day. Every day we get one topic, we go through that, we come back the next day, and Kissen will give you the next one, which is needed. So why does this matter, the capsule, you might ask? So because your capsule feeds context back to your agents over time, the more you use Kissen, the more it knows what you have already explored, what you found useful. So it turns out to be relevant to what you are looking for. So instead of opening Twitter and drowning in 100 takes on the same thing, you open Kissen, get one honest verdict, and go actually spend your time learning something useful. And that's Kissen built on Sui. Thank you.